Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the most recoilless gun in the game right now. So without further ado, let's get started. First, the gun with the highest recoil control potential in the game is the Mini 14 from the carbon section. It may not look like it with a base recoil control of 72 for vertical and 52 for the horizontal. However, this gun has the highest recoil control of all the guns out here. So to build the recoilless build, I'm going to change the stock using the meta build, which is the R extension, the regular one, the carbine industrial stock, and the carbine recoil pad. As you can see from the basic stats, the recoil control for vertical is now 94 and for the horizontal is now 84. At this point, we can use anything in the remaining attachments. For the grip, you can use anything since it won't change the recoil stats. For the front grip, you can use anything. But for this video, I'm going to use either this Lowbird LWT vertical or this tilt. But I'm going to use this tilt anyway because it looks cool. For the muzzle, you have two options, either the flash hiders or the suppressor. But this is carbine with a good effective range of 100 meters. This one is a good choice. For the scope, you can use anything depending on your playstyle. Since I'm going to build this for a sniping mid-range weapon, I'm going to use this times 6 magnification. And that's it. You have now the recoilless gun in the game, with a staggering 100 stats for both vertical and horizontal recoil control. Of course, these guns, this carbine, this Mini 14 is for the carbon section. How about the most recoilless gun in the different category? For the rifle section, we have the AR-57 with a staggering vertical recoil of 90 and the horizontal vertical recoil control of 89. That is for the assault rifle section. For the SMGs, oh, for SMG we got the MPX. This is the only gun with the most versatile build out of the in its category. So this is pretty much the only one. As you can see here, that's the staggering 100 for the vertical control and a 98 for the horizontal. Just 2 points for the horizontal control difference from the Mini 14. Next is the M110 from the marksman category with a staggering vertical recoil control of 79 and 86 for the horizontal. Oh, for the light machine guns, we got only one gun out there, so it's pretty much nothing. But it has a vertical recoil of 85 and a 77. For the shotgun, we have the SK12. Out of the guns in the out of the other shotguns, it has the most versatile build due to the stock, due to the handrails, which you can put high expensive for grip, and it allows the gun, and the gun has also the option to add variety of stocks, which is the other shotgun types don't have, such as the USAS 12 and the DP12. They don't have one. For the pistol category, we have the MP9. It is just a simple build. You can build it without problem because there's only one option for every attachments. So it has the 72 and 47 recoil control, and that's pretty much it. Oh, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.